what is this ratio? What is this ratio? So we use this diagram. So P1 is 12. So P2 is 16. Mean value is 15. And then you have difference absolute value is 1. Difference in absolute value here is 3. Now we have ratio is 1, 2, 3. It means that if you have a quantity of, suppose 12 karat gold is like 10 kilogram. So it means that for this one we take 3. 12 karat. 12 karat gold to 3 times the first one. Okay, it means I said that if we have a Q1, suppose Q1 is equal to 100 kilogram. Okay, so this means that Q2 will be 3 times. It means 300 kilogram for the second one. Okay, this what we have in this case. Now, so depending on if we have started by P1 and call it 16, suppose we have P1 and call it 16, and P2 we have 12 karat gold. Okay, we could have switched like this, 12, and then here we have 1, and here we have 3, and here we have 3 to 1. This will be called, this ratio will be called 16 karat to 12 karat gold ratio. Okay, now this was the problem, and here was the answer as the example where we can use alligation rules in terms of by using a diagram. So one advantage is that we don't spend much time on using formula. We just give the result. We should have substituted and take absolute value and get, for example, in the case of 16 to 12 karat gold ratio, we should have just substituted here and get P2 minus P2 here is 12. 12 minus 15. 12 here 12 is here minus 15 is 3. You take absolute value, you get 3. 2. Now P1 16 minus 15 it is 1. 16 minus 15 is 1. I take absolute value is I'm going to get 1. And in this case, I should obtain the same answer. So this picture and this picture is the same. Okay. So now, I hope this is the end of this simple example. We can take another example to finish up this one. Another example. So here we have an example which goes like this problem. The problem you have here using a different color. Let me use a green one, green color. So now here the problem goes as this. In what ratio? In what ratio should